Hello, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial to make brown eyes pop. I'm going to do no foundation today, but just some concealer on any problem areas. And what I do with my concealer is I match it on both sides, so that way my face tone looks even. So just boop, boop, a little bit up here. Having a little bit of a breakout, but that's okay. Happens. And all I do is I just literally pat it in. That way it has the best color and doesn't look too uneven. I hate when I get pimples on my lips though. It is probably the most annoying place to get pimples, or right on my nose. I hate that I am like 30 still getting pimples. That doesn't even make sense. But that's okay. Here we go. So that's almost all evened out. And then at the end, if I notice any's too heavy, I'll just even it out a little more. So there we go. We got that all settled. Next, what we are going to do is put on some blush. I'm using the Natasha Denona Rose Cheek Duo. It's really, really, really beautiful. This is my go-to blush. She has great products. A little pricey, but I mean, great products kind of are pricey, aren't they? Or they can be. Yeah, you don't need much of this stuff. Put a little bit on the nose. I like to put a little bit on my chin, kind of make like a T-zone. And then the highlighter, I like to put that on before like my eyeshadow and stuff, but just put it right here. This is probably my favorite highlighter right now. I just love it. I love a gold shimmer. It really works well with my skin tone. And this is all the places that I put my highlighter. Right here too. And right there. All the places that any light is going to hit my face. Next, we're just going to line our lips. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. I just like to go with like my natural lip. And then I am using the Pillow Talk lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury as well. I do have the e.l.f. dupe, and they both are almost identical. The only thing is, with this lipstick, it's slightly plumping, so you do see a slight difference between them. And I love that it's slightly plumping, just because like I don't have very big lips to start out with, so it works well. Next, we're going to go on to our eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe 35A Up Till Dawn Artistry palette. I love this one. It has some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Take a look at that. That is nice. What we're going to start with on our lids is we're going to start with the title Rave. This color right here. And we are going to be doing like a green ombre look. I'll let you know whatever colors I use. I'm just not gonna pop it back up. Gotta get a good spot on my desk. It's getting full. As I get into this makeup journey, it is getting full. I like to use my finger because this is going to give you the most pigment. We're just gonna put it right on here. And I'm gonna go in a few times. That's the only thing. Like, I love this palette very, very much. It is one of my go-tos, but I do have to go in a few times. But I have no problem with that. I like to build up color anyways. I want it to be a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ombre on my eyes. And the thing is this is going to make your brown eyes just pop. Lovely. So now we're going to take a little brush. Let me find my brush. I should have found it beforehand. But I'm going to take this brush. It's slightly dyed from the red I was using. And I'm going to take the Cabana Thirst, this color right here, and we're going to kind of outline the edges of my eyes. You will see what I mean. Let me bring it out a little bit to kind of give my eye like this beautiful lifted effect. Lovely. Now we're going to the other side. This is one of my more favorite looks, to be honest with you. It's versatile. A lot of people have brown eyes. I have brown eyes. And it really makes your eyes and your face just pop. And that's what it's all about. The eyes are everything. Lovely. I like to do a little bit underneath to make the ombre effect kind of like flow through my whole eye. Lovely. Blend it out just a little bit. Awesome. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to take this very angled little brush here, and I'm going to take my darkest green, the Nocturnal. Let me show you. This green right here, this real dark one. And we're going to do an eyeliner. So nothing crazy, just something simple. I just follow the shape of my eye anyways, or at least I try to. At least that's what I'm saying and sticking with it. It can be hard to do this without pulling your eye, but you're gonna get like the most, you're gonna see exactly what you're getting as you're doing it. And then a little bit right underneath as well, to kind of help with that ombre effect. Lovely. See, that's nice, that's nice. That's nice. Next, what I'm going to do is we're just going to put the Island Lover right in the corner of our eyes. Actually, I'm a liar. We're going to do under our palms because it's got like a lighter undertone right in the corner of our eyes. So right here, and I use my finger because I want a lot of pigment here. Lovely. And then, last but not least, we are going to use that Island Lover. We're going to put it right on the top, on the very front of our eyelid to give it like an extra little sparkle. There we go. So that's how it's looking. So what we're going to do, I already had a little bit of mascara on from yesterday. Gross. But life. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and freshen them up just a little bit. I'm not going too crazy on my eyelashes today. But here we go. Curl them up. For a while, I couldn't stop wearing false eyelashes. I like to cut them and just put them at the end, but I realized it's not really like what I want to do every day, so I just put on a little bit of mascara, and I don't care if they're like long enough for anyone else. There was a time when I was getting comments like, fix your eyelashes, fix your eyelashes. But now I'm like, I don't even care. These are my eyelashes, like them or not. Not just that, but like, really, when you ask any man, and when I ask my husband, he doesn't care about long eyelashes. That's not what they care about. But it's not for them anyways. It's for us. Mind you, I do like looking good for my husband. I'm like, dig that hole deeper. Alright, so that is pretty well everything. I'll add a little bit of white eyeliner underneath just to help make my eyes pop a little bit more. Lovely. See? Quite a little difference. Makes them just look a little bit bigger. I got tiny little slit eyes. So. And there we go. That is the final makeup look. Thank you so much for watching.